Hello students, today we will start workbook of EVS. I hope all of you have read that page which I taught you in that page number 2 and 4, 2 and 3 in the last class. Based on this page 2 and 3, in your workbook there are some exercises in the page number 1, page number 2 and page number 4. So we will do these exercises today. So let's start these exercises and I hope all of you have understand which I teach you. যদি তোমরা কেউ বুঝতে না পারো তাহলে তোমাদের মা বাবাকে বলবে যে কমেন্ট সেকশন, যেটা ইউটিউবের লিংকের যে কমেন্ট সেকশন আছে ওই কমেন্ট সেকশনে কমেন্ট করে লিখতে যে কোন জায়গাটা তোমরা বুঝতে পারোনি। আমি চেষ্টা করব তোমাদের সমস্যার সমাধান করে দেওয়ার। See, that is your workbook. From the workbook, that is the page number 1. Now I am going to show you how to do this exercise. So that is chapter number 1. Here it is written, put a tick mark for the sensory organs you use for each object. So here they are given the sensory organs of your sensory organs. 5 your sense organ. I have said you in the last class that first is eye, next ear, nose, tongue, hand. Hand is not the sense organ, it is the picture of the skin. Your 5 sense organs are ear, the eye, ear, nose, tongue and skin. But how they will give skinner picture ki kore debe, that is why they given the picture of your hand and this is the picture of the skin of your hand. So and for these objects, this is bell, this is cactus tree, yes, this is a tree, cactus tree. This is the French fries which we eat. This is a book. This is rose. So these things these objects by which sensory organ we can understand. So bell means it will give a sound. How can we understand this is a bell? By its sound. And sound, how can we hear the sound? By our ear. So I will give here a tick. That is, for that I will use my ears. Sound, the bell of the sound I will hear by my ears. So for the bell, here it will be ear. Next is, that is the that is a tree, that is cactus. So cactus, here see that these are, এখানে অনেকগুলো এই ছোট গাছটা না কিরকম, এই ছোট গাছটার অনেক কাঁটা থাকে। So if I touch this, it will be hurt to my hand. তার মানে এটা আমার হাতের স্কিনের মধ্যে ফুটিয়ে দেবে কাঁটাগুলো। তাই জন্যে আমরা এইটা কিভাবে বুঝতে পারবো যে এটা ক্যাকটাস, এটা আমরা বুঝতে পারবো by our skin of our hand. So here that will be, I am giving here the tick because হাতে স্কিন দিয়ে আমি বুঝতে পারবো এটার গায়ে অনেক, এটা ধরলে বুঝতে পারবো এটার গায়ে অনেক কাটা আছে। Then which sense organ I will use for this sense organ? Next is the French fries. So French fries is a very good, a very nice. Oh, ignore the sound. They are giving more sound, horn. Here the French fries. French fries is actually very tasty food. How can we understand it's a very tasty food? With our tongue we can understand this is very tasty food. Here, so I will give here the tick mark. Next is book. How can we read book? With our eyes. With our eyes we are reading our book. So this is, here I will give the tick. Now next is the rose. How can we understand its smell? আমরা কি করে বুঝবো এর সুন্দর গন্ধ? With our nose. That is rose and that is nose. Similar word also. So you can understand which objects we can understand by which sense organ. This object we can understand by these sense organs. So now the next page. Next page is here. It is a look at the picture and draw the line to its correct name. Yes, they are given the picture. Some pictures they have given. This picture is the body parts, pictures of the body parts. See that these are our body parts. We can understand these are the body parts of our, these are the picture of our body parts. And here name of the body parts. এখানে এই body part গুলোর নাম লিখে দিয়েছে. So we have to match with these body parts with their names. How we will match? With the line we will match. We know how to match. So here first here it is written feet, and we will find where is feet. This is the feet. So from here we will do like that. Yes, that line we will do that. Next is how we will do. That is next is mouth. Yes, mouth is the next. And mouth, where is mouth? Here is mouth. So I will draw a line from here to here. Yes, next one is the arms. So which one is our arms? This is our arms. Full hand is called is our arms. So I will draw another line. Here it is. Next one is our leg. They are given leg. So which one is our leg? This is full is our leg. Here I will give another line. Next is fingers. Which one the picture of the fingers? These are. So I will give draw a line another. Rest one is the knee. Which one is our knee? That part is our knee. Oh, sorry. It will come here. The knee will come here. So which one? This picture, what is the name of that picture? The body part, name of the body part? That is arms. That is arms. Arms. What is the name of this body part? That is knee. Knee. Next is the picture of this body part, that is fingers. Here I will write. Next is, that is, here it is feet. Next is mouth, that is. Now next one is leg. So my students, you have to read the name of these body parts. পরীক্ষার সময় বা নেক্সট যখন আবার স্কুল খুলবে তখন যখন ক্লাসে এগুলো করা হবে তখন কিন্তু I will give you these pictures. You have to write the name of the body parts. So body part-এর নামগুলো ভালো করে পড়বে with the spelling. With the spelling you will read like that. L-E-G, leg. Leg with spelling you have to read. Now next page. This page we will do later, 3 number page, because it is from the chapter 2. And this is page number 4, that is from the chapter 1. So the page number 4 also we will do today. What they are doing? Okay, up to that we will do today. What is? See that, circle the odd one out. Odd one out you have to circle. Here first one is foot, leg, knee, hand. See that foot is our part of our leg. Leg is means full leg is called leg. Knee is a body part of our leg, but hand is not a body part of our leg. So this is odd. Next one is teeth, tongue, hair, lips. See that teeth is our body part of our mouth, tongue is a body part of our mouth, lips also is our body part of our mouth, but hair is not body part of our mouth. এইগুলো তো হেয়ারটা তো মুখে থাকে না, এগুলো মুখে থাকে, teeth, tongue, lips. So here is odd one out. Next one is hand, nose, eyes, ears. So hand, okay, nose, eyes, ears. See that in our face, which these are the body parts of our face: nose, eyes, ears. But hand is not the body part of our face, so hand is odd one out. Next one is the arm, shoulder, teeth, hand. So arm, shoulder, teeth, hand. Arm is a body part of our whole hand is called arm. Shoulder means kaadh. Hand means the only hand part. So that is the three things, that is the our hand portion, means the our hand, shoulder kaadh, হাত, arm হচ্ছে পুরো হাতটা. So here teeth is the odd one out. So now let's do that next one. Up to not that we will do that, next one B and C we will do today also. So which part of the body helps us to run? We have to pick this out. Answer the following questions with the help of the given words. They have given the words, and with the help of this word you have to answer these questions. Which part of the body helps us to run? দৌড়াতে কোন বডি পার্টটা আমাদের সাহায্য করে? Legs. So here you will write legs. Next is which part of the body helps us to write? কোনটা আমাদের লিখতে সাহায্য করে? Hands. Very easy. Next is which part of the body helps us to see? কোনটা আমাদের দেখতে সাহায্য করে? Eyes. Yes, eyes. Which part of the body helps us to hear? কোন বডি পার্টটা আমাদের শুনতে সাহায্য করে? We all knows with the ears. Next is which part of the body helps us to smell? কোনটা আমাদের গন্ধ শুঁকতে সাহায্য করে? That is nose. Okay? So now the next. Look at the words given below and search them in the grid. Here it is, some words as given: ears, eyes, ears, nose, tongue, skin. You have to find out that. That is your homework. I will not do that C number. That is very easy things. You will find out from here. These words, ear, eyes, this word you have to find out from this box. Eyes. Ears you have to find out. এখান থেকে খুঁজে বার করতে হবে eyes, ears, nose, tongue, skin. এইটার মধ্যে এই সবকটা ওয়ার্ড আছে, তোমাদের খুঁজে বার করতে হবে. So today is up to that. All of these things you will study nicely. Okay, your first month test. Next, after that, after completing this thing, next I will take a monthly test 1, and the chapter will be the 1 number chapter. That chapter যে এক্সামটা নেব, here is not the chapter. So chapter will be the 1 number chapter from your textbook. 1 number chapter. Okay, ওই পোর্শনটার উপর আমি এক্সাম নেব, আর সঙ্গে এই পেজগুলো থাকবে, আমি লিখে দেবো কোনগুলো তোমাদের এক্সামে থাকবে পেজ নাম্বার সহ. ওকে, ফার্স্ট মান্থলি টেস্ট এগুলো পড়ে নেবে সবাই. বাই বাই মাই স্টুডেন্টস.